Basic mural painting using A4 paper for pattern. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing you how to create a basic mural pattern. So this is before. Step, you need to paint this wall into white color for the background. So before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more arts and craft stuff. Okay, first find any A4 size recycled paper, fold it in half like this, and then cut it like this. Use masking tape and stick it to the back side of the paper so that it can stick to the wall. So before that, we will create a straight line, vertical line like this, and then you can use this masking tape as your pattern. So I'll be showing you how to create it. First, you need to put like this, arrange like this, make sure the side corner touch the vertical line, and use the masking tape to create a straight line as your guideline. Okay, so repeat the same process for the whole wall. This is one of the great ideas that you can use to decorate your wall. This method is cheaper compared to buying a lot of wallpaper to cover your wall. This is a fun project. Do it yourself. Make sure to keep on watching to see the final result, okay? I'm using dark greenish blue and light green for this wall. You can use any color to match one another. Once the painting is dried, you can remove the masking tape one by one carefully. You can use back the masking tape to the other wall so that you can save a lot of masking tape. I'm using the same A4 paper as guideline to create the vertical line. Make sure it is in landscape length of the paper, or else your pattern will be a lot smaller. Repeat the same process at the bottom of the wall so that you can create a vertical line. Continue the same process on the other wall. Hello kitty cat. So here you go guys, this is the final outcomes. Hope this video is useful for you and you can create it on your own. So be sure to subscribe, like and comment down below if you like this channel, and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to watch more mural painting here and more arts and craft stuff in this video. That's all. See you on the next video. Bye bye.